Question 14a is a sequences question. You've got the nth term of a sequence is given by 2n squared plus 1. Now that's a quadratic sequence, but we don't have to worry about that. We just have to worry about remembering that n represents the term number. Okay, so n represents the term number. Right, if we remember that at all times, then we're going to be able to work out the first three terms of this sequence pretty simply. So term number 1 is the first term. So you're going to put 2 multiplied by 1 squared plus 1. Just remember you've got to do the 1 squared bit first. So 1 squared is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, and then 2 plus 1 is 3. So there's our first term, 3. Second term, we're going to do 2 times by 2 squared plus the 1. Well, 2 squared first is 4, so 2 times 4 plus 1. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 is the second term number, and then term number 3, if we substitute 3 in, we're going to get 2 times by 3 squared plus 1. Well, that bit's 9. 2 times 9 plus 1, 18, plus 1, 19. So 19 is our answer there. So 3, 9 and 19 for 2 marks. B, here are the first 4 terms of a different sequence. We need to write an expression for the nth term of this sequence. Now don't get thrown by the fact that this one was quadratic. This one won't be. You don't have to deal with those on foundation papers. So the difference between each of these term numbers is what we're interested in, and hopefully we're going to have a linear sequence. So 2 and 7, we've got a positive 5. We'd have to add 5 to get to 7. We'd have to add 5 to get to 12, and we'd have to add 5 to get to 17. Should be easy to spot. So the rule is going to start with 5 multiplied by the term number. Remember, that's n. So 5 lots of n, and then we're going to see what the 0 term would be to stick on the end of this rule. Okay, which would be, if we were to have gone back into this imaginary 0 term, it would have been a minus 3, because minus 3 plus 5 gets you to 2. That is what we stick on the end of the rule. It's a nice quick way of answering these sequences nth term questions.